Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Shopify access from a client. First, open a clear line of communication with your client. It's essential to articulate precisely why you need access and what tasks you'll be performing. This transparency builds trust and ensures a smooth process. Always provide the exact email address you wish to use for the invitation, making it easy for your client to send the request directly to you. This initial step sets the foundation for efficient collaboration. The most common way to gain access is through a staff account. Your client will log into their Shopify admin, go to Settings, and then select Users and Permissions. From there, they'll click Add Staff and enter your email address. It's crucial that they carefully select the permissions you need, granting access only to the sections relevant to your work. This method ensures security and keeps their store data protected while you complete your tasks. For agencies and freelancers who are Shopify partners, collaborator accounts offer a streamlined approach. You can initiate a request directly from your Shopify partner dashboard. This process generates a unique 9-digit collaborator request code. Your client then simply navigates to Users and Permissions in their Shopify admin, finds the collaborator request section, and approves your request using that code. This method is ideal for managing multiple client stores efficiently. To maintain a secure and efficient workflow, always adhere to best practices. Request only the specific permissions you absolutely need. This principle of least privilege is vital for security. Keep an open dialogue with your client regarding how long you'll need access and any changes to your role. Finally, for enhanced security, strongly encourage your client to enable two-factor authentication for all staff accounts, including yours. This adds an extra layer of protection to their valuable store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.